Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Hope everybody's doing great. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the notification button. If you're still here watching, thanks for support. With that said, guys, check this beast out. This, my friends, is a 2007 Ford F-350 Lariat Outlaw. Rare truck. Rare breed of 250s and 350s they produced, and man, let me tell you, this one is crazy. With that said, I'm going to tell you one thing. I'm not going to read off the list. There's a lot done to this truck. I'm going to let you find out. Click on the title you see right here below this video that says Lifted Beast, whatever I name it, 2007 Ford F-350 Outlaw. Click on that. It'll be a drop down and you'll see all the description of what's done to this truck. Don't miss it. Guys, this is an absolute beast of a truck. It's lifted. It's got a set of American Eagle alloy wheels on it, and these are a 20 by 9 or 10, I believe, wrapped around a big set of nice beefy Nitto Terra Grappler G2 tires. These are a 35 1250 20-inch tire, and there's no rubbing or scrubbing or cutting anywhere spot on this front bumper or rear cab corner area, rear fender. I'm sorry, rear fender. It's got a small rough country lift kit on it. Nothing too crazy, nothing too major. Another thing too about these, I'll tell you what, guys, spacing wise, if you want to clear with the Fords, another easy mod, if you see right here, you can move the front bumper forward just by putting a new bracket or a few spacers in between there right there, and it pushes it out. That way you get more clearance for the front fender or front tire. Super nice truck, all jet black. If you guys don't know about the Lariat Outlaw Edition trucks, research them, check them out. Oh my god, fingerprints, what the hell, guys, who did this? Super clean and nice inside. It's got a bed cover. Lariat Outlaws, if you don't know about them, so check it out. They come with custom Outlaw interior, signature interior based on the Outlaw. Red interior, and it's the same material, the diamond pattern they use in the Saline Mustangs, or Saline Mustangs, whatever you guys want to call it. Center console, same thing, racing straight, evil as hell, beast demon right down the side. Passenger seat, same thing. Sunroof, boom, you got it. Tuned up SCT, triple pod gauges, 144,000 miles. But on the title, from what my knowledge is, the guy who I bought it from said his wife or whoever registered the truck with 164,000 miles, not 146,000 miles. Where'd it go? Where'd you go? But with that said, like I said, it's on the title it shows 165, on the cab odometer 144. Or 164 on the miles. But yeah, anyways, beyond that, there's the VIN number right there. Pull a Carfax if you want, do your own research. It's always good to do that. Never trust anybody's judgment. Always do your own research, because at that point, it comes from the source. You know, not your mother's, uncle's, daughter's, whatever. Do your research, check it out. Power everything right here. So many controls on the steering wheel. I mean, cruise control, mode, next, channel volume, volume up and down. Factory radio, ice cold AC, 4x4, rear sliding glass window, sunroof, beautiful layout gauges right here. And like I said, you guys want, let's check out under the hood. You want to see under the hood, but first, let me go for a few more things. All WeatherTech all the way around. Beautiful branded set of WeatherTech all the way around, underneath and everywhere. Beautiful carpet, door jams. It's got a few rock chips and whatever here and there, but who cares? Underneath, you got your lift pump right there. And it's all beast. Look at that. custom plate. It's got a cap filters on it. There's the underside of the body of the truck. It's got ladder bars. It's got retraction bars, whatever you guys want to call them. Rough country shocks. Obviously, it's a rough country kit. And backside right there, interior, WeatherTech's roof, all LED lights in the front, and headlights and fog lights. Horn button. I guess at one point in time there used to be a horn button. Here's under the side of the truck. Mishimoto radiator, hoses. The grill's beautiful. Let's pump the hood. All right, let's check it out. Ready? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, so that's where all that power came from in the beginning of this video. Yeah, now you guys are wondering. It's like, man, all that smoke and crazy shit, that truck's not stock. Yep, here it is, guys. Check it out. 2011 plus mirrors, or whatever, 08 mirrors. So like I said, I'm not going to read off the whole crazy list of mods that's done to this truck. There's probably even more than I want to list. So it's studded, obviously. It's got bulletproof, as you call it. There's the head stud right there. You can see down in there. Yep, boom, right there. Little head stud, boom. Powerstroke radiator, coolant tank, SMB, cold air intake. I'm not going to name them all. Do your research. Do the drop-down menu. This truck is beast, and let me tell you, finished raised, 2-inch raised hood, super clean and nice. The fenders, the aprons right here, everything is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous on this truck. Oh, I can't reach. I got fingerprints on it, but I'm gonna shoot on with the video here, guys. Let me show you the LEDs, and we'll walk around it real quick. Onto the back side, passenger side, full 4-inch MBRP exhaust all the way back. Fifth wheel. Gooseneck setup. It's heated seats, passenger side and driver's side. I mean, this truck just goes on and on and on and on and on. I think there's a list of mods. Yeah, there you go. Here's the list of mods, guys. Check it out. So if you want to pause this video, go ahead and pause it right now. That's all the list of mods done to it. I took out the door lock mode because that's or the keypad in the door. So yeah, that's the list of mods. Pause the video if you wanted to see it. Inspection, it checks out well. The inspection, everything's good. Inspection passed, it's clean. Oil change, like all my vehicles, of course. Oil change, fuel filter change off the bat. It's the cheapest, most inexpensive maintenance you can do to your truck. Sorry, my mind's not even right now. I'm hot as hell and I'm trying to get out of here. But there's another Powerstroke. Oh yeah. So I hope you guys like it. 2007 Ford F-350, and that's a new style tailgate too. Brand new style tailgate, and yeah, it's a beast truck. Let's check out the top side. Ready? There's the top side of the truck. All LED lights. Hope you guys love this video because this is a kick ASS video. Can't swear anymore. Super beautiful, like machine look. I'm gonna show you the headlights. Ready? Pull that up. I know it's on. I know it, buddy. I know. Calm down. Look at those, how beautiful. LED lights, top and bottom. Fog lights and headlights. Oh, the fog lights won't get on. Let's shut the truck on. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. This is Mark, signing out. Take care, see you later. Watch the end of the video. Subscribe. Peace out, guys. See ya.